How to fix the issue with Google Maps arrow on wrong direction. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with arrow on Google Map giving wrong direction. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Play Store on your mobile device and in the search bar, type Google Maps. Once you do so, hit the enter icon. After that, in the results, at the top, you will see Google Map application. If you see the option of update, click on it and do update the Google Map application. Now, while the app is being updated, go all the way back. Now, you need to tap and hold on the icon of Google app. Then after you will see the option of app info, simply click on it. There, now you will be navigated to the setting of Google Map. Simply choose the option of storage and click on clear data. Then click on clear cache and that's it. Just by following this easy step, you will be able to fix the issue with Google Map arrow giving wrong directions. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.